Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a friend of mine sent me a message whether Corel 19 actually had anything that would draw like this. Now, Corel can be hooked up with a tablet, and you could draw a little bit better than you could with a mouse. So yes, this can be done, and actually started in Corel 2018. And what you do, you grab, before you do anything, you want to make your line a little thicker. Go up to range, get the Symmetry tool, create a new one. We're going to add some sides here. First one we're just going to do with 8. And I'm going to get my freehand tool. And I'm going to kind of start in the middle, and I'm going to draw a line. Now what's nice about this, let me back up and don't start in the middle this time, so I won't get any overlapping lines. And what I do like about this, let's zoom in here. You can take it and start on that line and make you some, of course that's going to intermingle. If you go past that dotted line, they're going to touch. Now what I do like about this, if you happen to have a line that's not on or not good looking, you can take your shape tool and do anything you want with it. Let's add a node right there and elongate that out. And you can come up with a bunch of weird shapes. And then when you're done, just hit finish. And there's your drawing. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.